I'm Nicky Pereira. I am the General Manager of ZettaGrid, which is our infrastructure as a services company. The cloud is a disruptive technology. It's coming in, it's changing things, it's changing the way people think, it's transforming businesses and industries.
We realised the new opportunities that cloud computing provided. We decided to create an infrastructure as a service business, which became ZettaGrid. The business is built totally on VMware technologies. We were the first vCloud powered partner in Australia. We had implemented the VMware hypervisor, vCloud and vCenter.
VMware have given us this base infrastructure that we've installed. We're now able to take the products from VMware and say, oh, we want to automate these, we want to actually add extra features to it, we want the users to be empowered. What that means is customers can come on, they can log onto the site. Within 5 minutes they create an account, they create a virtual data center, they create how much storage they want to do, they pay with their credit card. Yeah, you could be up in the cloud in a couple of hours.
So useful, our goal is to make doing good as mainstream as cheeseburgers and breathing. It's kind of to propel people into like bigger than themselves.
So useful came to us and said, can we work with you, get some infrastructure? We're trying to build a really smart solution.
This is the Big Help Mob app. It's basically an application that's going to link non-profits to volunteers. So if someone pulls out their iPhone and they'll be able to see all the missions happening around them, they can volunteer. Like, it will cut down the barriers to volunteering. We build the application and that's all hosted on ZettaGrid. So it also then scales as well. So as our people start to grow on the app, we can basically just increase our hosting over time. So we don't have to manage these servers, we don't have to worry about the dark ages anymore, we just push a button.
At ZettaGrid, all the infrastructure we run is enterprise class. Cloud computing and virtualization with VMware has allowed us to make this available to the individual user. These components have only been available for in the top-end enterprise. Now what we've been able to do is bring that down to everyone.
The Speech Solution is a voice recognition company that basically offers doctors and medical specialists the ability to have voice to text. So a doctor will do a dictation, press the end of letter button at the top, and that goes off to the server for processing. And then they just basically press play and the words appear on the screen.
The patient presents with small intestinal loops in the left hemidiaphragm in the upper left quadrant, full stop.
Prior to going to the cloud, Speech Solutions would attend on-site or remotely, configuring other people's networks, which meant we had to spend a lot of time and resources.
What we were able to do is saying, guys, you don't have the capability or the resources or the want to build this infrastructure. We've done it for you already. How about you come to us and use us, and then you can just on-sell it to your customers straight away.
With VMware, we use it within the ZettaGrid environment, so we can drag, deploy and drop new solutions at a moment's notice, and it allows us the flexibility to grow and the ability for us to roll out solutions much faster than ever previously we were able to do so.
In ZettaGrid, we build solution. By using technologies such as VMware, we don't have to reinvent the wheel. From the technology, the virtualization, that's already there. We now can focus on our particular products and our solutions and being creative about it.
IFS has a presence in over 50 countries. We are probably the third largest provider of asset management applications in the world. What ZettaGrid provide for us is basically a quick, easily deployed platform without actually having the customer really having to understand what's actually going on. It's almost a turnkey approach.
Yeah, they've got a template that they've wanted to configure, and they've configured that once in ZettaGrid, and now when they have another customer, it's like, well, let's just do this again.
Product platform is really stable, really quick, and our customers are finding great benefit and flexibility with that platform. So much so that we're actually now starting to use that for our own internal demonstration systems as well.
We're not just a cloud services provider, we actually become part of the business from a point of your R&D department. You're able to transform your businesses. You're able to say, well, okay, I don't need to invest this capital up front, I just need to invest this much in my IT, and I can focus on my business.
VMware is the standout in terms of the technology that's required to create a true cloud infrastructure as a service business, and they're the clear leaders in that space. They've really enabled us as a service provider to have the business that we have. We couldn't do it without the technology that they've provided.